Looking at a British pound US dollar 60-minute chart. Prices rallied off this low, this double bottom low, this technical double bottom low that you all know about. 87.20, a natural level to bounce. When trading the British pound, we rally to 8800, retraces to the figure, rallies, and on this 1 hour chart we can't quite distinguish all of the exact bounces, only some of them. That would appear on a 15-minute or 5-minute chart. We rally up to 8300, the figure, and bounce 25 pips. See there, 25 pips. Rallies through, comes back, tests the figure at 83, rallies to 8400 and bounces, rallies to 8500 and bounces. So we move quite a long way in this trend on this 1 hour chart. Very, very big rally. After a big rally like this, a lot of entities have accumulated some really good long positions. We start to see price slow naturally a little bit. I mean, this is just, it's a natural, it's actually still a shallow retracement. We get up to 8,500 and we continue to test 8,500. It retraces from 8,500 almost all the way back to 8,400, actually back to 8,400 now. Now let's watch what happens. So in this trading day, price is quite choppy and potentially looking at a reversal formation here. We have the head, left shoulder, right shoulder, but also let's look for choppy price action representing the battle between the bulls and the bears. Let's just see if this came back to any technical fib level. This is the 62% retracement here. Now we're getting some pretty volatile price action. These are like 100 pip swings in here. And this is what we call a bull-bear battle. After a long trend, we'll often get a consolidation like this that can be very difficult to trade. As we see attempts for the market to move higher, but we're making very discrete lower highs and lower lows in this bull-bear battle. And eventually we have to delineate a line of support, and eventually one of them is going to give away. And so our line of support could be at 83.50. Here we have an interesting level of support at 8,300, so it could be, right now it's this level of support effectively. Right around 83.50 is a pretty important level. And then let's keep our eye on 8,300. Trying to get through 83.50. Now look what this looks like now that the trend has moved out of the data. It gives you a better reflection of what kind of volatility we're actually experiencing. And after a long trend like this one, from 7,800 all the way up to 8,500, 700 pips, that's when we start to get into these bull-bear battles that can be really tough on you. But they can also set up very good trades, because you see how the market's making very discrete highs and lows. As soon as the bulls give away here, then it's all over and the bears will take over. And again, we're watching our 8,300 level down here. Right here. We make one last rally. Often these things retrace. You see these retracements here? They'll often come to between 62% and 100% retracement. And that's the best place to trade them, is between 62 and 100%. Here we come back to 79%. And like pennants, for example, you'll often see come back to 79%. Now we're making a go at 8,300, which is right here. And here's our 8,300. But we can get in some very good setups as we see the market making lower highs and lower lows. But 8,300 was the key breaking level, which is right here. Don't know if I can bring that in. Don't believe I can. Look at how price comes back and tests. You see right here it says 8,300. Look how the market falls through, comes back and tests. This is where you want to make your trade, right here. As the market comes up and tests this level right here, that's where you want to make your short trade, especially after this nice down move. We consolidate for a while and then move below and further below to 8,200. Price retraces again to 8,300. That's why if you trade here, you need to take profit quickly. Look how much room you had. If you traded this right into 8,300, the figure, 82.99, the next candle went to 62. Trading it in the proper place here gave you profit even before this candle came to a close. Now the market came all the way back up to 8,300 and continued to fall. Look what it does at 180. It bounces at 180 as well. And now we consolidate